Welcome back again to our channel, Maths Principles. Today we're going to be solving a simple pattern problem again where we have 1, 6, 16, and 42. Just looking at the question, most students will be like, how can I actually get a pattern on this? But we can see if we're checking 1 to 6 is plus 5, and then 6 to 16 is plus 10, then 16 to 42. You see that it's actually not having a good pattern. So from here, we're going to do like this. So from here, we're going to say from 1 to 6, it is plus 5. From 6 to 16, you get to see that it's plus 10. From 16 to 42, you get to see that it's plus 26. Then from 42 to an unknown term, we'll get to see that it is plus a variable we don't know. From here, we look at it, we see that 5, 10, 26, there's actually still not a pattern here. But we can actually generate a pattern looking at the 5, 10, and 26. We see that 5 here is basically 1 plus 4. And 10 is 1 plus 9. 26 is 1 plus 25. And our variable, which we don't know, is 1 plus an unknown number. Looking at it we're going to see that we have 4, 9, and 25. Now you can see that there's a pattern here. Because basically 4 here is 2 times 2. 9 here is 3 times 3. And 25 here is 5 times 5. Do you see a pattern here? I'm sure all of you have seen the pattern right now. So you see that here we have prime numbers multiplying each other. The first prime is 2 times 2, which gives us 4. The second prime is 3 times 3, which gives us 9. And the third prime is 5 times 5. So the next prime number after 5 times 5 is 7 times 7, which is going to give us what? 49. And what do you see from here? You see that 49 now is plus 1 is going to give us 50. And from here, we see now that 50 plus 42 is going to give us 92. And from there, we have our pattern. So basically, our pattern here is just 1, 6, 16, 42, and 92. Thanks for watching, and that's how to solve this simple math question. Please subscribe and see you in the next video.